Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel, and boy does it feel good to be back. Now first of all I want to say thank you to everyone that stuck by me, thank you to everyone that has sent me nice emails, kind comments, people that have reached out on other people's live streams and asked after me. I really do appreciate it. Now in today's video I'm going to be announcing some really exciting announcements to do with the channel. I'm also going to be talking about the coin that got me banned from YouTube, so please stick around to the end of the video and everything will be explained. Now I've actually been off YouTube for coming up to a month now. It's just under 4 weeks, which is the longest I've taken a break from this channel since I started it 10 months ago. But yeah, like I said, I want to say thank you to everyone that has stuck around. There's been a lot of people messaging me nice emails, nice comments, asking if I'm okay, asking where I am, saying they're missing my videos, and it's just really nice. It's a bit overwhelming actually, the amount of support that I've received since I've been off YouTube. Before we go any further though, I'm going to pour myself a nice glass of whiskey. This is a Buffalo Trace, really nice tasting whiskey, and I've got a video that's going to be released in a couple of days explaining why I brought this whiskey. But it's a very nice whiskey. I've had a number of people recommend it, and I finally got round to picking some up and trying it. Very smooth whiskey, really nice. Now, considering I've been off YouTube for 4 weeks, I think we need to get a little bit more silver on display. There we go, that feels a little bit more like home. Now in today's video, like I said, I've got some really exciting announcements to make, and I'm also going to discuss the reasons why YouTube banned me. Now, please stick around to the end of the video and everything will start to make sense. Now, I've got 3 exciting announcements to make, and these are not in any particular order. I'm just going to go straight into what I've been working on behind closed doors. Now, the first announcement is I'm going to start uploading twice a week. Now, I know since I started this channel 10 months ago, I've pretty much uploaded 1 video a day, sometimes 2 videos a day, sometimes 3 videos a day. But it's been really difficult, and it's become almost like a full-time job. I've literally finished my day job. I come in, I barely say hello to the children. I come straight into the filming studio, and I'm just filming videos back to back, editing back to back, uploading back to back, and all the rest of it. And before I actually start socializing with my family, it's kind of like 4 hours gone since I've been home from work. So I've really had time since I've been off YouTube to evaluate my time, and I've decided that I'm going to upload twice a week. Now I'm going to upload on Mondays and on Wednesdays. Now Mondays I'm going to be doing a video of my choice. I'm going to be picking a topic or something that's in the news or something to discuss that's to do with silver, and that will be every single Monday. And then on Wednesdays, I'm going to be making a video based on one of your comments on one of my previous videos. So I'm going to go back and look at my previous videos, and I'm going to pick someone's comment that either asks a question or raises an important discussion or a topic, and I'm going to make a video based on that comment. So at the beginning of the video, I will put a picture on the screen of the person who's left the comment and their comment, and then as the video progresses we'll be discussing that comment. So I think that's going to be a really cool way of me showing you that I read your comments, and also giving back to every single one of you that takes the time to comment on my videos. So that will be my upload schedule going forward. It'll be Monday and Wednesdays. I apologize CPM if that clashes with your Whiskey Wednesdays, but I will try and negotiate times with you so that it doesn't actually clash the time that you do your Whiskey Wednesdays. The only reason I pick Wednesday is because I'm always off on a Thursday, so it means that I can film, have a glass of whiskey, and not worry about having to drive to work the following day. So we will have a little chat and work out what works best. Ideally, I'd like to get my video up before your Whiskey Wednesdays so that people can kick back and watch your Whiskey Wednesdays and relax after watching my video. So yeah, we'll have a little chat and work out what works best for you, because I don't want to step on your toes, because I know Whiskey Wednesdays is your day. But yeah, that's going to be my upload schedule going forward, Mondays and Wednesdays. So we're going to have a little bit more consistency. Although you're going to not see a video from me every single day, I'm going to try and improve the quality of my videos, because I felt like I've got to a bit of a stage where I'm uploading more quantity over quality, and I want to flip that round, so I'm uploading more quality over quantity. So I hope that's okay with everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, I'll be interested to hear the best times that work for you. What time would you rather me upload my videos on the Mondays and Wednesdays. Obviously the Wednesdays will be subject to me discussing with Creative Precious Metals first, but on the Mondays do let me know what time works best for you, and I'm more than happy to try and make that work on this channel as well, so that you can watch the video as soon as it's released. So that's the first announcement. The second announcement is I finally got myself a PO box. Now, I know it's been a long time coming, and a number of you have messaged me asking me for my address, and I finally took the leap and I've got myself a PO box. Now, the PO box I've managed to secure is only going to be around for 6 months, because that is the term of the contract I've taken up. It does cost quite a lot here in the UK to get a PO box, and I think after fees and all the rest of it, it worked out around about £230, I believe, and that is just for 6 months. So that is what I've gone for. So like I said, I've got the PO box for 6 months. So please, please, please send me your channel stickers. If you are a small creator or a big creator, or anyone that watches my channel and you have a YouTube channel yourself, please send me your channel stickers, because eventually I'm going to make a different setup, or I'm either going to put a backdrop on here, or I'm going to do something where I can show everyone's channel stickers. So please, as soon as possible, send me your channel stickers, because like I said, I'm only going to have the PO box for 6 months, and it does take quite a while for things, especially from abroad, from America and places like that, to arrive here in the UK. So please do send your channel stickers to me as soon as possible. I can't wait to receive them. I can't wait to work out what I'm going to do with the display to show everyone's channel off. I'm really excited to start being able to accept mail calls from people, because up till now it's been really difficult to receive mail calls. I've had a few mail calls come through, and they've had to kind of go through Backyard Bullion, and he's had to send them to me because he's the only person that's got my address at the moment. There was a couple of people that also had my address, and that was when I sent them stuff when I first started the channel, when they got my address from the return label. So including those people, there's only about 3 people that actually have my address. So it's really, really nice to actually finally have a PO box. So those of you that have messaged me saying that you've got things to send me, I can finally accept them, because it's been really, really difficult to say to people I can't accept their gifts. People have actually sent me pictures on email of boxes that they packaged up, saying that this is ready for you to send it to you. I really want to send it to you, and I've had to turn them down because I didn't want to give away my home address, because I'm trying to keep my privacy regarding my home address and my identity and all the rest of it as secure as possible. So yeah, it's great to be finally in a situation where I can actually accept mail calls. So I will leave my PO box in the description of this video so that people can start sending me stuff. So I really, really appreciate those of you that have been patiently waiting to send me stuff. And like I said, if you've got a YouTube channel, please, please send me your stickers, because I am going to create some crazy backdrop or something where I can display them all off, and I can promote your channels when I'm doing videos and things like that. So finally got a PO box. Thank you very much for those of you that have patiently waited, like I said, and thank you for everyone that wants to send me things. You don't have to obviously send me things, but it's really, really appreciated. Those of you that have been asking for my address for quite some time now. So that is the second announcement. The third announcement is something that I'm really excited to announce, and some of you watching this video today will already know about this, especially those of you that are in the 365 Club membership scheme. I've announced this a couple of weeks ago, and some of you have already joined the group. There's also some people that have messaged me previously via email, and I've also given you the link, so you're kind of all the early birds in the club. I think there's about 20 of us in the group currently, but this is the first time I'm officially announcing it on the channel. And I also welcome those of you that have your own channels to now announce it as well. I know a lot of you have been keeping it quiet because that's how I wanted it to be until I officially announced it to everyone. But the announcement is I've started a Telegram group. Now, for those of you that don't know what Telegram is, it's like WhatsApp, but a lot more people can join. So with WhatsApp, for example, you have to display your telephone number, and there's only a limited amount of people that can actually be in any WhatsApp group at one time. Now with Telegram, although you need your telephone number to initially sign up and verify, you can turn off your telephone number so that people can't see it. So it gives you a lot more privacy. And also with Telegram, you can have up to 200,000 people in a group at any one time. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not expecting there to be 2,000 people that want to join this group, but it is nice to have that flexibility that more people can join if they want to. And the group is called Stackers Social. Now, like I said, this group's been around for a couple of weeks now, and that is because I wanted to get a feel of how it all works, and I wanted to let some of my 365 Club members join first so we could get a feel of how it's going to work, and I could play around with the logo and all the rest of it. But I feel like we're at a stage now where it'd be nice to get many more of you involved, whether you're a creator, whether you're a viewer, whether you don't even stack precious metals, but you're interested in kind of learning a little bit more about it. It's a group that anybody can join. Like I said, you don't have to display your telephone number. You can sign up with a username, so you don't have to display your real name if you want to really hide your privacy as well. I signed up with my username of the channel, so I'm signed up as 365 Days of Silver. I've also turned off my telephone number, so it's completely anonymous, and it's a way where everyone can meet, that all have the same hobby, that everyone has the same goals, that everyone has the same mindset, and it's a place we can all chat about precious metals securely in like a chat room. So yeah, really excited to announce that. I'm going to also leave a link to that in the description of this video as well, so please head over and say hello in that. So that is the 3 announcements. Now, the final thing I wanted to talk about was me being banned on YouTube. Now, I've actually put a sticker over this coin to say censored. And the reason I've left this topic till the final part of this video is because those of you that watched my last video that I uploaded before this one, you'll already understand that it was all a big joke. It was all a big wind up. There was a lot of people that jumped on board, creators that made videos, and they helped kind of give the prank more legs by announcing the fact that I'd been banned and all the rest of it. So I want to say thank you to those of you that helped me kind of carry the prank a little bit further. And like I said, those of you that actually watched the video to the end would have been on the inside of the joke anyway. So some of you watching this video would have already known that I didn't actually get banned from YouTube. It was a way of me taking a break to work on the 3 projects that I've just mentioned. And it was also a way of me seeing who watches my videos to the end. Because for those of you that do watch my videos to the end, you'll know that quite often I put at the end of the video, if you watch this video to the end, please comment tiger hat, or please comment orange giraffe, or whatever it may be. I always say comment something just to see who has actually watched the video to the end. And that is what I did at the end of the video of showcasing this coin. I actually put a thing on the screen saying that I was going to be taking a little break from YouTube, and I'm going to be winding up everyone to say that I've actually been banned from YouTube. So like I said, those of you that are watching this video that were on the inside of that prank and you watched that video to the end and you understood it was all a joke, fair play. Thank you very much for watching my videos to the end. For those of you that didn't understand it was a joke and you sent me, like I said at the beginning of the video, emails and well wishes and all the rest of it, I really appreciate that as well. Now, I've actually put the sticker on there as a joke because I think it looks quite funny, and I'm probably going to leave that on there as part of the kind of inside joke, because there will be some people that don't even watch this video all the way to the end, and they will actually continue to think that I actually got banned for showcasing this coin. So that's why I thought it'd be quite funny to put a sticker across it, because there are going to be people, like I said, that watch my future videos. They see I've got that on there and they genuinely think that I actually got banned for a period of time for showing off this coin. So the joke's going to be kind of a bit of an ongoing one for those people that don't watch my videos to the end. So hopefully that explains the reasons why I've been off YouTube for a few weeks. It wasn't because I got banned for showcasing this coin. It was in fact because I was working on a few side projects. There's also been a couple of things I've been sorting out regarding some of my other investments, and I won't go into too much detail in this video. But basically, one of my investment areas where I have a buy-to-let property is Liverpool, and they have made it very difficult now for landlords to acquire the landlord license. You actually need a selective license if you have investment properties in a certain part of Liverpool, and they've extended the application process. It's an hour-long form to fill out. They ask all sorts of questions, really invasive questions about your tenants. One of the questions was, what are the age of the children in the property? Are they boy or girl? So one of the properties I rent out in Liverpool, they have a small child. It's literally a baby that's only been born for a couple of weeks. And I actually had to get in contact via my letting agent to ask if it was a boy or a girl, because that is the level of detail that the Liverpool Council require for me to be able to apply for an updated landlord license. So yeah, really interested, and it just goes to show another step that the government put in place to make it a little bit more difficult for people to be wealthy. They don't want people to buy houses and rent them out. They don't want people to own precious metals. They don't want people to better themselves and try and move away from the 9-to-5 system. And this is a prime example. They've actually made it a lot harder now to get a landlord license to be able to buy houses in Liverpool and rent them out to people. You used to only have to have a license if you had a HMO in the area that I invest in, whereas now they're bringing it in even if you rent it out to a family. You need to apply for this license, and like I said, it's like an hour-long application. They ask all sorts of invasive questions about the family that live there, lots of paperwork, lots of forms need doing. So that was another reason why I needed a little bit of a break from YouTube, so I could focus on that and get that form all sorted, because that needed to be done by the 1st of September. So I only had a few weeks to get all of that paperwork submitted, and it's about £650 you have to pay for it. So yeah, a lot of kind of hoops I had to jump through and everything to get that sorted. So I hope you can see why I needed a few weeks break from YouTube, and I thought what better way to have a few weeks break from YouTube than to leave the platform with a prank. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. I'll leave a link to Stacker's social in the description of this video, and I'll also leave my PO box in the description of this video as well. And I hope you all have a lovely day.